So last night, I was starving around midnight, right? I sneak into the kitchen, keeping it ninja level quiet. 'Cause I didn't want to wake up my flatmate. He's weird about midnight snacks. I open the fridge and bam, I see this innocent, perfect-looking eclair sitting there. Now, I know it's not mine, but come on, who labels an eclair? That's just asking for trouble. I grab it, take a massive bite, and suddenly, bam! My mouth's on fire. Turns out, the dude filled it with wasabi as revenge for me eating his yogurt last week. And you know the worst part? He was waiting in the corner with his phone, filming the whole thing. It's been 12 hours. And I'm officially a viral meme now. Winston versus the spicy eclair. The internet's a cruel place, man.